For the last 25 years, Google's search box was almost exactly same. A simple search box where you used to type your query and then you get results, you navigate through different links, different pages, and can find your answers or find the information we are looking for. But now Google has changed the way the search engines should work. It has incorporated AI which can do a lot more. Now you can find products from images, you can take suggestions, do comparative analysis from the different products, and you can also take help to book restaurants in seconds. That the way we used to search in Google is changing. Now AI is disrupting this entire space, and we should be up to date, like how we can use and leverage this AI related features in the Google search box so that we can make our lives easy. So in this video, I'm going to explore the AI features in the Google search box, and I will show you how we can leverage it and can do wonders. So as you can see in the screen, I have come to the Google's search box, and let's type in something like top 10 smartphones under 20,000 rupees in 2026. Okay, now if I enter it, this is the traditional way of using the Google search engine, and you can see that we are getting some links. Okay, and based on our preference, we used to go through these links and we used to find some products or go to some websites and compare things manually. But let's use the Google's AI search mode. Now let's click on this AI mode and type in the same query you used for the traditional searching. Now see, the result says that it is not giving you the direct links, but it is giving you top 10 products from which you can find out your preferred one, right? And it is also giving you all the detailed features. So these LLMs are very intelligent now. They know that what are the criteria we use to find products. So all these things are incorporated in this search box and this AI feature. So at the back end, it is using Gemini Flash, I think 3.5 model. And you can see that all these options, they have given it to me, and they have given some specifications about these products, which will make your product finding journey very easy. So you can leverage this to find your next product. Let's see the second use case. Let's say that you have seen a person wearing a nice sneaker or shoe, okay, and you have liked it very much and you want to purchase that for yourself, be it a TV actor or be it a normal person. Now you do not know the name of the product, right? Here you can leverage the multimodal capability of this AI integrated search box. How we can do that? Let's see in the screen. Or I will attach the image of the product, which I have taken from my friend's home or someone wearing. I have just taken a picture of that product. Now if I just type, what product is it? Please compare the product prices in different websites and give me the links from where can I purchase the same. Okay, see, so with the image, now these LLMs are intelligently searching this product, and it is saying, okay, the product shown is Nike Men's Air Max Alpha Trainer. So you got the product so quickly, okay, and it is also comparing from different platforms, like, okay, how much price it offers and in which platform it is. So you can definitely book your product from that platform. So AI is becoming very useful where you are not sure about the name of the product or you are not sure about the exact specifications of that thing, but you can have the image of that product or image from your friend's mobile or some place, and you can just use these LLMs to find that product for you and to get a compared price from different places. Also, there is now no need for you to type everything and to use it for your searching. You can just speak with these AI powered engines and it can generate results for you. Let's take an example. Hi, can you please find the latest car releases from Hyundai in 2026 for the month of April, May and June, and provide me the on-road prices for those. And you hit it and see it has captured your audio and it is generating all those results from your speech. Isn't that cool? So that makes your life quicker, because here now you do not need to type in and search through things. You can do conversations using your audio and you can generate information for yourself. The next major update is about information agents, where there are small agents which will track things for you and we will generate alerts for you in case if you have set it up. So let's say I want to track dollar to INR rate, and if it changes and I mention okay when I should receive an alert, or live gold price rates, so you can set up alerts for this and you can generate it from the search box, and the things are called information agents. Now this is very new and it is not launched in all the countries, but it is also subjected to your subscription models and different things. That is how AI is changing the traditional web search methods. So you need to also learn these new features or these new announcements to remain relevant in this AI driven world. AI is the future, it's inevitable. So you be a student or a working professional, your skill upliftment is also very important. I have posted a lot of videos on generative AI, RAG, which is called retrieval augmented generation, agentic AI. I have built lots of chatbots, agentic AI frameworks, and all those videos are there on my YouTube channel. Please check it out and learn from it. It's all freely available. I post AI related tutorials every week. If you want to learn AI with me, please stay tuned, and if you have liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, take care, bye.